Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. My name is Shervin. I recently finished my PhD in biomedical engineering, and in the past 6 years, I've been working with undergrad students. I was a teaching assistant at the University of Ottawa, where I was teaching engineering courses. So I was in close contact with undergrad students, and along the way, I was also tutoring students uh, in math and physics, students from middle school, high school, and college. So I've been in very close contact with students in the past 5, 6 years. And along the way, I have two YouTube channels. One of them is in the background, ENG-MAT Answers and ENG-MAT Answers, which I have around 9,000 subscribers and close to 1 million views in the past 2 years. So basically, I'm breaking down different problems in these channels, mostly in engineering courses, math, physics, and also if you look at my banner, it's written PhD engineer turned academic coach. Because what I noticed with the students is, other than the getting confidence in the subject, what they really need is that independency to move forward, and that obviously comes from practice in a specific period of time. The more you have practice, the more you're better in that subject. So I would be along the way to kind of like give you that push, that energy that you need to stay on track. So that would be my job. And at the end of the day, if you win in your course, my job is done. That would be a win for me too. So I'll be happy. Everybody's happy. So feel free to book your session. I'm sure I can help you guys to build that confidence and energy that you need to move forward. And yeah, you guys take care. I'll see ya.